To set up the display of the calculated results on panels of a model, you can use the Maps dialog, which presents maps or isolines of displacements, moments, and stresses obtained during structural analysis. To access this dialog, from the text menu, expand the Results dropdown, and then select Maps. With Maps, generalized forces can be displayed. From the Detailed tab, on the XX column, select Moments M, and then, in the options below, deselect With Normalization, and then click Apply. The drawing area updates to display a map of the results. Next, from the Maps dialog, open the Principal tab. In the Principal Values group, under the column labeled 1, select Moments M, select Maps, and then click Apply. Again, the drawing area updates with the results. Now open the Complex tab. In the Equivalent Results group, select Moments M, and then click Apply. Once more, the drawing area displays the updated maps. You can also display stresses with the Maps dialog. Return to the Detailed tab. In the XX column, select Stress S. Click Apply. When mapping stresses, remember to select the correct layer. To select a layer, open the Parameters tab. In the Layer for Stress group, select Upper, and then click Apply. Now select Lower, and again click Apply. Notice how the results change depending on the layer selected. Return to the Principal tab. In the column labeled 1, select Stress S, and then click Apply. The map updates. You can also map stresses in the Complex tab. Open the Complex tab and select Stress S, and click Apply. Deselect Stress S, and click Apply to remove the mapping. To view deformations, you must display finite elements on the model. From the text menu, select View, Display. In the Display dialog, navigate to Panels/FE and toggle on Finite Elements. Click Apply and then close the Display dialog. Back in the Maps dialog, open the Deformations tab. Select Active, and then click Apply. The drawing area updates with a map of active deformations. Reset the map by deselecting Active, then clicking Apply. Finally, you can also display stresses and forces as crosses. Open the Crosses tab, and in the Cross Presentation group, select Active. Ensure Stresses is also selected. Click Apply. The drawing area updates. Now, from the Cross Presentation group, select Moments, and then click Apply. Again, the model updates. Mapping lets you see a variety of results, including stresses, forces, and deformations.